Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is October 4th, 2018. Finishing the day down $255. I took two trades, both losers. Stayed disciplined though. Had my stop set for each trade, and after the second trade, I wanted to keep trading, but got to stick to that 10% max loss rule, which is not losing more than 10% of my small day trading account in any one day. I started the day with 23.75 in equity, somewhere around there, and after the second trade, I wanted to keep on trading, but if I kept on trading, that's not sticking to the plan. That's not sticking to the rules. And what good are the rules if you don't follow them? Definitely tempted to, because there's some wild market action today. The overall indexes, Dow, S&P, are all down pretty big. So I'm definitely going to be a little more cautious on the long side, at least in the near term. It does look like the markets are coming into some selling pressure. Also, being in the month of October, you just got to be careful. So we'll get into the video, we'll get into the trades, but again, most important thing, just you have the plan, you have the rules, you got to stick to them. I mean, as hard as it is, I had to stop trading at 10:30, even though I wanted to continue. I mean, there's a whole another day of trading pretty much after 10:30, but you gotta stick to the rules. Anyway, I don't really trade after 11:30, 12 o'clock anyway. But in any event, here's the video, and check it out. So, as I mentioned, took two trades today. Realized loss of $255. Started out today with $2,342. Tomorrow I'll start with about $2,070. So the first trade I took on I took it out of the gates at 9:34. I shorted at 32.99. I thought this one had a chance of pulling back a little bit after this little topping tail into the moving averages into the close. Figured I went short on this candle, put a stop above the high of day at 23.27. I got stopped out at 33.29. Wound up going all the way up to 34.26. So again, this is why I use stops, because there's a lot of times, a lot of traders get into trades, even myself, you don't have a stop in there, and you're down immediately. It's going to be very hard to sell out of that position. So rather than take it upon myself to have to get out of the trade myself, I'd rather just have that predefined risk in there, set that stop, and I have less emotion while I'm in the trade. So that one was pretty quick. See, I was only in there for about 3.5 minutes. So the next trade I took on HDP, I bought that at 25.60. I was in between going short or long on this one. There was definitely good volume on it, so it did fit the criteria of volume and liquidity. I got in at 25.60 at 9:48. So I got in right over here. I actually wanted to buy at 25.50. I tried to buy too many shares. My order got rejected. That finally filled my shares at 25.60. Went up to 25.68 and then sold off into the VWAP. Actually, I had my stop at 25.30 and it didn't take me out here. It hit 25.30, 30.5 and bounced off of it, went back to 25.57, and then we finally broke out. That's where I broke down. That's where I got stopped out. And again, this is why you use stops, because I got stopped out here and continues to sell off now, into 11 o'clock. So again, down $254, $255 on the day. Gotta, as much as I wanted to continue trading today, you just gotta know when to shut the platform down, when to call it a day, because this $255 loss could have turned into a $500, $750, $1,000 loss. You keep making trades and doing stupid things. So tomorrow's another day. Hopefully we can end the week with a winner, get back into the driver's seat going into the next week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.